If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need true blue, white, Indian turquoise, warm penny, green flesh, rich espresso, red poppy, golden yellow. Optional paints we need black to correct any mistakes, any shiny and sparkling paints to enhance our dots like ice blue, silver illusion, white flesh. Also optional is clear acrylic sealer to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with white, using the largest tool number 15. Tool number 1, rich espresso, dots around. Tool number 3, Indian turquoise, dots around. Number 5, golden yellow, dots around. Usually, I like to do crisscross first and then fill it in between. Number 5, green flesh, dots around. And using tool number 1, drag it while the paint is still wet. Number 1, 2 dots in between. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add more paint on top. Number 12, 1 dot in the middle. If a dot doesn't look good, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it's still wet. Paint it over with black and let it dry. Tool number 5, worn penny, dots around. And tool number 1, drag it. Number 3, Indian turquoise, 1 dot. Number 1, rich espresso, 1 dot. Number 10, white, 1 dot. Rich espresso, tool number 1, dots around. Indian turquoise, tool number 3, dots around. Number 4, worn penny, 1 dot. Number 3, taper, 3 dots. Green flesh, number 3, taper, 3 dots. True blue, tool number 8, 1 dot in the middle of the white dot. Golden yellow, tool number 6, dots forming a circle. And tool number 1, drag it inward. Tool number 3, taper, 3 dots. And using tool number 1, drag it outwards. Green flesh, number 3, 2 dots. Number 5, 1 dot in the middle of the white blue dot. Number 3, 1 dot. Number 4, 1 dot. Rich espresso, number 1, 1 dot. White, number 12, 1 dot. Rich espresso, number 1, dots around. Indian turquoise, number 4, dots around. Worn penny, number 5, 1 dot. Worn penny, number 4, 2 dots. Golden yellow, number 8, dots in the shape of circle. And tool number 1, drag it. True blue, tool number 10, 1 dot. White, number 1, 2 dots in between golden yellow. Golden yellow, number 3, 5 dots. Worn penny, number 3, taper. White, tool number 4, dots in the middle of golden yellow. Number 5, dots in the middle of golden yellow. True blue, number 10, 2 dots. Number 8, 2 dots. Number 1, drag it. And 1 dot in between. Red puppy, tool number 3, dots in the middle of golden yellow and white. Number 4, dots in the middle of golden yellow and white. I need some guidelines, so I'm using a ruler and do my best to keep our design symmetrical. Green flash, tool number 6, dots around. And tool number 1, drag it. Worn penny, tool number 6, dots around. And tool number 1, drag it. Red puppy, tool number 6. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Using smaller tools, we do some touch-ups on top, using brighter and lighter colors. If we don't have it, we can always mix it with white. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and adds more vibrancy to our painting. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel. Optional, spray it with a sealer to preserve the painting. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting mandala project with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.